Okay, today we're going to talk about programming pagers. I'm going to take it right out of the box. You don't have to worry about this thing. You just kind of chuck that. The front screen plastic thing you can take off. We don't want to keep it on there because usually when it gets sent back out, it ends up looking like this. So we're going to get rid of that. We're going to bring the back off. We're going to put the battery in there just like that. Put this back on. We're going to wait for it to beep. It says Apollo right there. And then we're going to get to the main screen. Here we go. So it's going to default to noon, and we want to change that time. So to do that, we're going to hit the button on the far left. It'll take us to our option screen. We're going to hit the button in the middle to scroll through. About the sixth one in, we'll say set time. Hit the button on the left to go into it. So we're going to change this to the current time, which is 4:45. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit the button on the right to scroll to the next spot. And go past the PM, and we're going to go to August 8th here. And then what I want to show you guys is the middle. So we want to go to the 14th, and we're at 28th. So I'm going to hold down the button on the far left, and it's just going to start scrolling through. And now we're at the 14th, change to 2013. Hit the button on the far right to set it. Now, once it's set, hit the button on the far left to go to the main screen again. Button in the middle to scroll through, and we want to go to pager off. Button on the left, button in the middle is off. Now, before we put the case on, we're going to put this if found sticker right in the back on the side. We don't want to put it in the middle or anywhere else. We don't want to cover up this cap code, and we want to have a spot because eventually someone's pager, 4-digit pager ID is going to go right here. So I'm going to put this right back here, here. And the other important thing is when you do put this in, you want the pager to be looking out this window just like it did when we initially got it. Since this pager's done, I'm just going to mark a little X there. Finished. The end.